Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Death Note Season 1, Episode 5. Before beginning, I have a few things to tell you. First one, it's a personal one. I put a note about it on YouTube, Patreon and also on Twitter. I was operated 1 week and a half ago now, something like that. And during that time I couldn't film or edit anything because I couldn't move my hand. Like you see right now, I can move my hand because my splint is not all around my hand but only on my finger. I was operated on my finger. I'm not gonna give you all of the details about it because I don't know all of the details about it. But also because it's private, you know, it was not something big, you know, it was a little surgery. It was on my finger, so it's a little surgery. But it's something that I don't know what it was. I would have the results in 1 month now, less than 1 month now. And no worries guys, I didn't feel pain at all, but my body, I think, took it all, you know, all of the pain and all, deal with the pain without telling me. And I was really like exhausted a lot, I slept a lot. And still now I'm sleeping, like just right there, I'm coming back from a nap, a little nap of 1 hour. My body is really like feeling it. Now I can film. I think that I'm gonna be able to edit also the videos, so that's gonna be okay. I can film again, I can film my reaction videos to Death Note again. Thank you to those of you who commented on Patreon, YouTube and Twitter telling me good stuff. Thank you for that. It helped me in a way because I was feeling sad about the fact that I was not, you know, I maybe surestimated my strengths to handle all of that, and maybe also I underestimated that surgery, which is a little surgery, but in fact which was a big one. Like I have 7, I don't know how to say it in English, inches? I have 7 things, you know, on my finger, and just, you know, see, that's a little finger, that's a little thing, just imagine 7 things just right there, really, they cut me. They didn't joke with it, and maybe I underestimated it, you know, I was not prepared enough for it. I didn't prepare myself enough for it, my body, but also, you know, my mental. And I thought that it was gonna be harder for my mental health than my physical health, and in fact my physical health also took it bad, and I learned my lesson. I slept a lot. No worries. The pain is manageable, really manageable. I'm not feeling a lot of pain, but my body is taking it all for itself, and I took it. I took the time to rest and all, and now I'm feeling okay, enough okay to film, and the splint is little so I can film, and you know, I could have filmed with the other splint, but I wouldn't have felt comfortable with it, you know, and I don't want you guys to worry for no reasons and stuff like that, so that's it. And I'm sorry if I was also less active in the comments during some days, but because of the fact that I needed to rest so much, I liked your comments, you know, to show you that I was there and that I was reading them, but it was more difficult to respond to you, you know, it was almost like I was drunk. I already felt like that, you know, I had trouble to sing, to put all of the words together, and for me, who loves to speak, you know that, if you're watching my reaction videos, you know that it's hard for me. The second thing that I wanted to say before beginning this video is the fact that I saw your comments about watching Death Note in the English version, you know, for the audio, to not watch it in the original version but into the English version, because the translation, you know, with the subtitles were less interesting, you know, were missing some informations and stuff like that. So I gave it a try for the first episode. I watched the first episode with the English version, you know, with the sub-but, I think that we are saying it like that, English version, and in fact you were right. It's not that we are missing some informations, not at all, but it's more like the sentences which are shorter, you know, stuff like that, into the translation, into the subtitles. So I'm gonna try for some episodes to watch it into the English version, audio but also subtitles. I didn't find the subtitles which are fitting with the audio. Do you understand what I mean? I kept the subtitles which were going with you got what I meant? So that's it. I'm gonna try like that for some episodes and we'll see, you and I, if it's better or not. So no worries if you see that the language is changing, it's for a reason. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro, you know, because I don't know with this version if YouTube is gonna be a pain in the ass like it was for the 4 first episodes or not. Maybe it was just for the Japanese version, I don't know. But just in case, I'm gonna make a shorter intro and talk more in review about the episode, the characters, the story, my series and all of that. And try to keep that intro short to try to deal better with rules of YouTube and of the network of Death Note. It's hard for Death Note. I'm telling you that since a long time now. It's really hard. I'm fighting a lot for Death Note. You know, I'm fighting a lot for Firefly also, but at least I know that at some point Firefly it's gonna work. When Death Note, I don't know if tomorrow they're not gonna block all of my videos suddenly just because someone pushed the button, you know, and for no reason other than that, like I'm gonna edit the thing another time and maybe it's gonna be okay, maybe not. I don't have a good science, you know, if you can understand what I'm talking about. Let's go for this episode 5 now. I'm gonna watch only one episode today. I want to watch also episodes of The Legend of Korra. And yes, I'm gonna spend maybe all of the video like that, just to try to not move at all. Again, 7 things on my finger. I need to not move a lot to be careful. Right there. Yes, and normally I'm doing everything with my right hand. It's really a pain in the ass. It was supposed to be only 1 week, the spleen, the pain, all of that. But what I had on my finger was not well placed and the surgery was not harder but not what was planned, and I have that for 1 month. During 1 month I have to be careful with my finger, my hand, to rest. That's a lot to ask me, you know. I'm a cat person, but I don't like to do nothing, you know. I like to do things, or maybe it's more like I like my freedom, you know. Just to know that if I want, I can do everything.
Listen carefully. I came to Japan as part of a secret investigation, so the local police can't find out.
I understand. I promise I won't tell anyone that I met you, and of course, that includes my father.
Please excuse me.
You want him to lie for you?
It's just, if my father ever found out, there's no doubt he'd let Elle know.
Bah!
Yes,
Are you
of course.
stupid, you?
I'm sure you'll treat this as just another unfortunate accident.
No. They need to understand that you can do accident like that to connect you to the first one to know you are.
Some junkie robbed a bank 2 days ago, and I guess he wanted to try taking on a bus today. But in the end, the guy freaked out, jumped off the bus, and got hit by a car.
Did he die? It's a little hard to believe that was all a coincidence, don't you think?
What do
Who are you?
You got on that bus because you were investigating someone, right? And now you're telling me that this criminal...
Clearly you're his brain.
You and I know you used to be one of the best agents in the FBI.
Ah, that's
Now you're my
right.
fiance now. We talked about this. You're not an agent anymore, so just leave it alone.
Excuse me?
That's what you promised when we decided you'd come with me so I could meet your parents in Japan. You do remember that, don't you?
Yeah, I guess you're right. Sorry.
I don't like you, Ray.
No. Anyway, once we have a few kids running around, you'll probably be so busy you'll forget you were ever an agent. Your Madame
She can't be an agent. She's just good to raise your kids. She's clearly smarter than you, dumbass. Ooh, don't make me mad. I'm already... Hello? My nerves are like that.
In the meantime, I think I'll use some of those inmates I've been keeping alive to play around with Elle a little more.
Gods of Death. Elle, do you know? Gods of Death.
He's playing with you.
If I write a cause of death and the circumstances leading up to it, I can add a name afterwards and it still happen. Ooh, even I didn't know that one.
Nah.
I am Kira. Don't turn around or put your hands in your pockets. I won't hesitate to kill you here.
Why?
This voice. I've heard it somewhere.
Oh, yeah, clearly you're not smart at
Do
all.
you see the man walking over there to the coffee shop? Newly charged with sexual assault. He's managed to avoid conviction every time due to lack of evidence.
You put him right there.
I can't kill someone who I haven't seen. I have to know their face, which means, of course, I could easily kill all these people right now if I wanted to.
I thought that I was gonna keep the subtitle, but it's disturbing me more than something else.
If you don't do exactly as I say, she will die, and so will the rest of your family.
What do you want from him?
I want the files containing the identities of all the FBI agents who came to Japan.
To kill all of them?
This thing looks like a toy. But there'll be no record of this transmission anywhere. And it allows us to converse from a close distance, even underground.
Yep.
Just through.
He's clever.
If I see you looking around, I will kill you. Once
He will recognize you. Maybe he will connect
it's occupied,
his two neurons.
how many FBI agents are currently in Japan? Speak quietly into the transceiver.
You know that
Make it obvious.
is the number.
It's 14.
Now take the papers out of the envelope.
The paper? The paper from the Death Note? No.
I want you to write down the name of your superior, the one who's heading up this investigation, in the space at the very top of the page. Your boss is going to send you a message with a file attachment. It contains the names and photos of all the FBI agents currently active in Japan. One by one, you're going to look at each photo and then write that agent's name in the space provided. You're going to do this for each agent.
It's the Death Note.
Kira, who are you?
You know who he is. The fact that you're so stupid. Bye-bye. Yep.
Farewell, Ray Penber. Ray Penber wrote all of those names on pages taken from the Death Note. Ironic, they all died of heart attacks after receiving the same file.
Elle is gonna know that you did something just right there.
All 12 died of heart attacks. I can only assume that Kira is behind this. It's already decided. We're calling off our investigation.
According to him, it seems that you arranged for the FBI to come to Japan and investigate everyone here associated with the task force.
For a good reason, they all died. It's proving his point.
I cannot accept that. I find it unbelievable that you would spy on us. The very people working with you on this case.
It's obvious he'll kill anyone who gets in his way, whether they're criminals or not.
Oh, they're all gonna go away.
Do you know Gods of Death love apples?
Yeah.
You, Kira.
He was murdered by Kira.
No, I'm not gonna say something like you're better without him and all.
The FBI sent 12 of their agents to Japan to assist us in finding Kira. And all of them died yesterday.
Dad, you should quit too. I don't want you to die. What if he gets you?
Tell me that at some point you're not gonna kill your father.
I'm proud to be able to call you my father.
Oh.
And if anything should ever happen to you, I'm going to find Kira and make sure he gets executed.
Yeah. If you really want the world to be a better place, at some point you're gonna be forced to kill yourself.
It's quite possible that we may all be killed by Kira, but if you're not absolutely sure, then we don't need you. You have to be willing to fight against him, even if that means making the ultimate sacrifice.
Oh yeah, that's him all right.
He's so brave, you know.
I remember him because he told us to get down. But I don't really remember any of the other passengers.
But if what I'm thinking is right, Kira could have been one of the passengers on the bus that day.
If you're going to the police to say that, they're gonna know that this agent was
5 men.
spying on Light.
Well, 6, including myself.
The connection
So,
can
I'm
be
grateful to see that
make
there are as
it
many
easy.
as 5.
El just said that he's decided to trust us now. But honestly, what reason do we have to trust him? But you never have to show your face, do you? You just give the
He's gonna
orders.
do it now.
I don't see how you can expect us to work alongside you under those conditions.
And if you truly meant what you said about trusting the 6 of us, could you come here so we can all meet in person?
I think we can trust him. And besides, I don't really see how we can solve this case without his help.
From the beginning, he's been very upfront about the fact that he would need the help of the police on this case.
Yes.
He's been waiting for this to happen all along.
A reason to trust you.
Once we got started, we had detectives resigning left and right.
Mm.
Following that, classified information was leaked. So I'm not surprised that he didn't trust us.
I'm glad that you understand this point of view.
Investigators he could trust. And to do that, he needed to weed out anyone who wasn't totally committed.
If we're working with that guy, I'm leaving the task force. You don't have to worry. I won't try to follow you.
I can understand the fact that you don't want to be a toy, you know, for a guy like that. I understand also. 5. You're 5, guys.
I'm staying in a suite at the Taker Hotel, but I'll be switching hotels every few days, and this please arrange it so you're all here at midnight.
And you don't tell your son that you met her.
Only a matter of time before we collide.
I think that you're young.
I'm ready to show my face. If you ever manage to find out about these secret meetings, I'm sure you'd feel compelled to move in. That's what I'm counting on. Think carefully. Is there anything I missed? And what comes next? There are endless possibilities.
We are not gonna see his face, right? Us viewers.
It's unlocked.
Knew it! It's episode 5, they are not gonna show his face, not just like that. I'm not even sure that we're gonna see his face, that I'm gonna see his face in episode 6. I'm not even sure of that. I think that they're gonna keep the secrets still a little, like they can begin the episode 6 with a little time jump, like that's it, they saw him and that's all, they talked to him, and we're gonna maybe have flashbacks about it, but that's all. I mean, that was the sound of my frustration. I understand. Doesn't mean that I approve, that I like that. I want to see his face, of course. I'm sure that he's young. You know, he's drawing, you know how he is. I'm sure that he's young. Maybe between... Not a teenager like Light, but not so far away from him, you know. I was wrong at the end of the last episode. I was so sure, you know, that Elle would make the connection about the fact that that death happened, you know, this accident happened around. And I thought, you know, I told you that maybe Light had a plan to use that agent to kill all of the other agents. I said it. I didn't imagine that. That was better than what I imagined. Me, I imagined, you know, him taking a gun and killing everyone. That was smarter. But I was right about the fact that he was going to use that agent to kill all of the other agents, so Elle wouldn't suspect that it was his agent, you know, who died. But I thought that still that agent would tell to someone that suddenly someone who was searched hijacked the car in which he was with the suspect, and that this person died in weird circumstances, you know, seeing someone who is not there, you know, hallucinating and all. Would have been, you know, the logical and smart thing to do. You're after Kira, someone who can kill people, playing with the circumstances of death, not being around that person, you were around the suspect, that happened, at least you are telling it to someone, not only to your fiancé, you know, to someone else. That guy was so stupid. Because of that, because of how he was treating his girlfriend, his fiancé, It made me mad. Just how he was talking to her and how he was imagining her future. She didn't have the choice, about her future. Not really. I like the fact that, she's an old agent and she understood just like that what happened, that yes, it could be suspicious, a death like that, and that he should be more careful and he should be investigating on it also. And the fact that when her fiancé died, she went to that car guy to ask him questions and all. I don't like the fact that she's not going to the police to tell what she knows, because it could be so easy, to make the connection. Your fiancé is that guy is the agent who was investigating, who was spying, on Light. Ding, 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 ding. That's it. This is Light, Kira is Light. That would be so easy. So of course it's not gonna happen. She's gonna investigate on her own for some time. It was her on the opening credit. It is her on the opening credit, no? I think so. She's gonna investigate on Light, which is great in a way, because the fact that she's not connected to the police, it means that she's gonna spy on Light, she's gonna investigate on him, and he doesn't know it, and he can't know it, he's reading his father's files, so can't know. Light knows about her existence, he said it to the agent. Normally for at least 2 episodes she can progress on her own without Light knowing it. I think so. But she can be a good character. I'm glad that we have a female character, into the show. For now it was missing, so I'm glad. The mother and the sister, okay, there are female characters, but they are not important characters into the anime, so I'm glad that we have one. Light's father, I admire him, in a way. He's really brave to continue the investigation knowing that you can die by doing it, because of the fact that you want to do what is right and you want to protect people no matter what, even if it means to maybe be killed at some point. I know that, policemen and all of that, they are supposed to think like that, but right there, it's the extreme situation of it, the extreme thing that you can think about for that job. There are 5 who are gonna continue to investigate, and they're gonna see Elle's face. That's gonna bring something new, to have them seeing her face. Again, I'm not sure that we're gonna see that during the next episodes, but it's gonna bring another relationship. They're gonna be more connected, they're gonna be really there for each other. We can imagine that they're gonna be really a team right there. I want to know all of their names, I want them really to be a team, to have things about them, to appreciate all of them. It's gonna be great, I really think so. And of course to meet Elle, I want to meet Elle, but again I'm not sure that it's gonna happen during the next episode. Not so quick. Light is so sure of himself, so confident on himself and on how clever he is. And he's right, he's really clever, he's really smart. But again, I really think that this is his weakness. To think that he's smarter than everyone. Not have any doubt, to be so sure of himself. When on the contrary, Elle, okay, he's smart and okay, he knows it and all. But he has also doubts, and he's also questioning, his decisions, and we saw it when he thought that maybe Kira could be a student and all of that. He was saying, could be, it's possible, it's a theory, but he was not saying that's it, it's a student, just focus on that. No, he's letting doors open and he's not so sure of himself. And right there, to finally say, okay, I'm gonna show you my face and all, you're right, I trust you enough and you should have the right also to see my face, to trust me. That's also a proof, that he's questioning himself. He's not just staying with what he thought and stuff like that. For sure, I can appreciate more a character like that than a character like Light. But I still think what Elle did during the second episode, he still killed that guy like that to prove his point. Okay? Okay, that guy was gonna die during the same day because he was someone bad and he was supposed to be executed for that. But still, you killed someone to prove your point. And in a way, you did what Light did also, like killing someone who was bad, okay, who was maybe gonna be executed later, but killing him right now because you wanted it. Keeping that in mind, you know, to not be a fan of Earl. I appreciate his character for sure, but I appreciate also Light's character, but I don't want to love any of them. Light for obvious reasons, because he's a fucking psychopath. He believes that he's God and all of that. But also for Earl, because I think that he can do stuff which are gonna... that I'm not gonna agree with. That I'm not gonna appreciate. I think that I'm gonna always understand his reasons and his logic, but it doesn't mean that I have to agree with that to accept it. Do you understand what I mean? So I'm clearly on Earl's side because I want to stop Light, who is a fucking psychopath who is killing people because he thinks that he has the right to do it, because he thinks that he's God and he wants to rule this world. So clearly I'm on Earl's side, but I'm not ruling, you know, for him, I'm not supporting him, I'm not a fan of him and all of that, because I think that he can also have maybe a dark side that for now we don't know, something like that. Like, I think also that we don't know everything about Light and his past. During the first episodes, he said stuff like, it's not the only bad thing that I did in my life. I think that in the past he already did something really wrong, and in a way he convinced himself that this bad thing that he did was in fact right, you know, to deal with that with his conscience, to not feel guilty about it. He told himself that beautiful lie, and that's why right there it's really easy for him to convince himself that he's right, that even if he's doing stuff bad, he has the right to do it, and in fact he's the only one who is right. You understand what I mean? And that's why also at first he thought that Ryuko was there to take him, to punish him, you know, he said something like that. So maybe he thought that Ryuko was there to punish him for what he did wrong into the past. I don't know, maybe I'm going too far with that idea, but I'm keeping it in mind. But you know me, you know that even if I can think that maybe Light has reasons to be like he is right now, it's reasons, not excuses, to be a fucking psychopath and to murder people like that. These persons are bad, okay, but they don't deserve to die. They deserve to go in jail, and like everyone, they deserve a second chance. The right to change, to choose another path on their lives. I believe in redemption, I believe in second chance, so I'm not okay with what Light is doing. And in a way, I don't like, you know, the fact that we saw that this agent, the FBI agent, was bad with his fiancée, because it's coming a little, you know, I mean, for the writers, for the viewers, to justify the fact that it's okay that this guy died because he was stupid, really, and also he was treating bad his fiancée, which are the same thing. But you've got what I meant. I don't want, you know, his attitude to justify the fact that Light killed him. No. Luckily, you know, into this world, we are not killing all of the stupid people that we are meeting. I'm not reading anything about the shows that I'm watching to avoid spoilers and all, so I don't know if people are really taking sides, you know, with this anime, if they are really ruling for Light, ruling for Earl, if they are really supporting one or the other one. Because with two nemesis like that, I can imagine that, yes, they have teams. It's not my way of watching shows, you know. I can love a lot characters because I can connect with them a lot, and I can feel their pain, and I can feel, you know, all of their feelings, be in total empathy with them, and I can cry for them and all. But I can feel that with this show, this anime, it's not gonna be the case. Like, for now, I don't think that at some point I can cry for one of them, Light or L, that I can connect with them. I'm so interested, you know, by the Death Note, by this story, by the investigation of one and the other one, by this fight, you know, by understanding everything. I'm so involved into that mind game, you know, in a way. And okay, I can take a side, you know, I'm on L's side to stop Light, but I don't love any of them. I appreciate them and I can see all of the qualities that they have, the fact that they are so clever, both of them, but I don't connect, you know, with these characters, for now at least. We'll see if it's gonna evolve or not. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video right now. I don't know how it's gonna be, you know, the intro, the review, if it's gonna be long or not. Just know that for some sentences, it took me at least, you know, 2 or 3 times to say them in a good way. Like, I'm really fighting a lot to find my words. Maybe I'm still a little exhausted, you know, what I told you in intro. I thought that it was okay now that I could film, but in fact, you know, okay, I can speak now normally in French, in my birth language and all. I'm feeling alright. When 1 week ago, just after the surgery, I had trouble also to speak, you know, I was really tired a lot because of the surgery, the anesthesia and all of that. But I see with this video that I'm not back, you know, because I have trouble to find my words in English, to concentrate a lot on words, you know, to find my words. I'm sorry for that, you know, if my review is a little a mess, I'm sorry for that. Oh, and I didn't tell you in intro, you have my Patreon on which you can find the episodes earlier. For Death Note, I think that for now it's 1 week earlier, and with an extended or a full reaction part. For example, for the episode 1, I put the full reaction part. For the other ones, I put the extended one. For this one, I don't know. I will see that during the editing. Check the description. I'm gonna say you that into the description. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today for Death Note, because me, I'm gonna watch The Legend of Korra. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Hey.